Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal. This prevents shorting and clears stored ECU data. Once done, wear safety glasses and locate the sensor on the compressor body, usually near the pulley or service ports. Remove engine covers and clear debris with a shop towel so you can work without contamination. Now, use the correct socket to loosen the electrical connector clip. Make sure to depress the release tab while pulling straight out, because damaging the connector causes faults later. You unplug the wiring harness first to prevent strain on the new sensor, pressing the release tab while pulling straight back. Next, use the specified socket and rotate the sensor counterclockwise. Sometimes it resists due to thread sealant. Apply steady pressure and avoid jerking. Clean the mounting bore, then thread the new sensor in by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once hand-tight, use a torque wrench and tighten to the manufacturer torque spec. Over-torquing can crack the sensor housing. You reconnect the wiring harness and then the battery negative terminal. This restores power to the system. Start the engine and turn on AC to verify compressor engagement and proper system pressure. Watch for leaks and listen for unusual noise. If the dash shows a fault, scan for diagnostic trouble codes right away and clear stored codes after repair. If problems persist, make sure connector pins are straight and clean, and replace the O-ring or apply recommended sealant. These are common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.